So, good evening, everyone. I'm going to explain about the decision tree classification algorithm in data mining. So, in data mining, classifications are very, very important. So, in the classification algorithms are used to group the data into the present predefined categories or classes. It is a key technique that involves the predicting the classes of the new data points based on the historical data. So here internal nodes and the leaf nodes will be there. The decision tree, internal nodes represents the features of the data set and the each leaf node represents the outcome of the data. So two types of nodes are in the decision nodes. Decision node and leaf node. Decision nodes are making any decisions that have the multiple branches. So the last one, the last output or outcome of the decision node is called as a leaf nodes. It is a graphical representations for getting all the possible solution to the problem decision based on given the conditions. Some condition, if you give the based on the conditions, it will all the possible solutions so you can give for the problems. So to build the tree, the COT algorithm we use and stand for COT means classifications and regression tree algorithm. So here the one diagram is there. So in this diagram, if we see first decision node, that is called as a root node. So this is the first node, so it is called as a decision node. So here in the decision node is divided into subtree, that is called as another decision nodes. Okay, it is classified into two decision nodes. Again, it is classified into another decision node. Like that, it will go. So if it is the decision node subtree does not have any decision node, that node is called as a leaf node. So here some terminologies they given. One is terminology. First one is root node. Root node means that is the starting node. So that is called as a root node. It represents the entire data sets and it gets divided into two more homogeneous sets. Homogeneous sets means there is the same similar sets of values will be there. So the leaf node, next one, that is a leaf node. Leaf nodes are the final output node. The tree cannot be segregated further after getting the leaf node. So that is the last node. And splitting. Splitting means it is a process of dividing the decisions node or root node into the subtrees according based upon the given conditions. What the given condition we given, accordingly it is divided into subnodes. Next, branch or subtrees. Branch or subtrees means here it is formed into a tree formed by the splitting into tree. So in the tree, two or three subtrees are will be there. That is called as a branch trees. So pruning. Next one, pruning means the pruning is the process of removing unwanted branches from the tree. So in the tree, subtrees will be there. So means subtree means many branches will be there. If we are not using any condition for the particular branches that are subtree, that we need to remove, that no need. So that the removing the unwanted branches or the unwanted subtree is called as an pruning. So next, parent or child node. Parent or child node means that is a root node. The root node is called as a parent node and the other nodes are called as a child node. Under the parent tree, many child nodes, one or more child tree or child nodes will be there. So here the algorithm they given, first one, step one. So in the decision tree algorithm, first begin all the decisions will be start within the root node. It is says yes, it contains a completed data sets. In this, all the data set will be there. And the next step, we need to find out the best attribute in the database using the attribute selections measures. That is one method which is used to find out the best attributes in the data set. That is the step 2. In the step 3, we have divided the S or root node into subsets that contains the possible values in the best attributes. So further we have to divide all these new tree nodes into subtree, 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 subtree. Like that, we have to divide until we cannot further divided. The next one, generate the decision tree node which contains the best attributes. Then next step, recursively make a new decision tree using the subset of the data set which is created in the step 3 and continue this process until reached when we cannot classify the nodes and call the final node is called as a leaf node. So here one example they given, the salary. So one person get a job, but some conditions they are applying whether we will take the offer or we need to decline the offer. So that is based on some condition he is going to select. So after getting the job, he'll check the salary. He or she will check the salary. The salary is between one condition they given. Salary is between 50,000 to 80,000. That range they have given. So within that range, the salary will be there means they will take the offer. So after that again, they will check whether the home is nearby the office or not. So here the office near to, either the office is near to home or it's not near to home. That is far from home. So two options will be there. So here also we have given some conditions. Either it is true or false. So if it is true, then again we are going to check the one more condition. That is there in the leaf node. So what is the leaf node here? Again subtree. So salary is between this thing and office is also near at home. Then again check one more conditions. The office will provide the cab facility or not. That condition also they are going to check before taking the offer. So the cab facility will be there or not, we are going to check. If the facility will be there, yes, means that person will accept the offer, or otherwise he or she will decline the offer. So these many conditions they are going to check. So in this example, salary is the root node. Once they get the job, after that they have to decide whether the salary is a good or not, or that is enough or not. So yes or no. So two subtrees. After that, they are checking whether the office is near to the home. Then again, one more condition, the office provides the cab facility or not. So everything is yes means they will accept the offer, or otherwise they'll decline the offer. This is the condition. This is the decision tree. So like this, when we are deciding in the using the algorithm, first some condition we need to check. In that, after that root node, one condition, then after that we have to divide into two decision trees, subtrees. Then again one more condition we need to check until we'll reach the leaf node. This is called as a decision tree. Thank you.